Mr. Pena, you live in the state of New Jersey?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have rental property that you own in the state of Massachusetts?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you had tenants in that property, and they weren't paying rent.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
wanted them evicted. According to these papers, the complaint and the answer, you had known Mr. Harsh for a long period of time, and he is an attorney, and you retained him to evict the tenants for non-payment of rent. So far, are we correct?
Yes, you accept that I hadn't seen David Harsh.
You may not have seen him, but you know him.
I know, yes, sir.
For a very long time. And you retained his services to evict the tenants.
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you owned this rental property?
Bought this in 1987.
So you've had a lot of tenants there, and you know that sometimes it's difficult when they stop paying rent.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Harsh, your lawsuit is for unpaid attorney's fees.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're going to tell me that you are a duly admitted attorney in the state of Massachusetts?
I am. 32 years, Your Honor.
What kind of law do you practice?
I specialize in evictions.
Have you ever been disbarred?
Briefly, yes, Your Honor.
When?
I think it was 2015 or 16.
No. I need the exact month and date that you were disbarred.
Okay, it was from February 2016 through August of 2016.
And you were reinstated in August of 2016?
Yes, Your Honor.
When were you retained by Mr. Pena?
February 21st of 2017.
And how much of a retainer did he pay you?
Well, first of all, he paid me $150 for the notice to quit.
Okay. And he paid that?
He paid that, yes, same day.
Did he see you in your office, or did he communicate over the phone?
Through phone, emails. These were through emails at this point.
Okay. Did you ever, in fact, see him in person in Massachusetts?
No, I did not.
Okay. What was the total amount of money that Mr. Pena paid you?
Okay, he paid me the $150, and then when she didn't move out after the 2 weeks, he paid me another $430.
The notice to quit, which is a letter that you sent
Yes.
to the tenant. And I'd like to see a copy of that letter. May I see that, please? Okay. So you sent this, and for $150, that's what you charged him for sending the notice to quit. Now, for $430, you were to begin eviction proceedings.
That's correct,
Tell
Your
me
Honor.
what you did.
I prepared the complaint.
May I see it, please? And did you go to court on March the 30th, 2017? So
did.
you made a court appearance on the date in the summons.
That's correct.
Okay. You don't dispute the fact that he made a court appearance for you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And then what happened, Mr. Harsh?
Well, prior to the going to court, the tenant had filed an answer claiming that there were rats and clogged drains.
May I see the answer that the tenant filed? Okay, so her answer says that she fixed the clog in a bathroom and that there were rats and holes, and she owes $3,700 in rent, but she spent $700 for the clogs and the rats. Okay, so $3,000 she acknowledged owing. Okay.
All right, so we went to court, and we went through mediation, and I came up with what I considered an ingenious situation here where she was going to pay her rent provided he contacted the exterminator. And
Contacted the exterminator for what?
to go over there and check out the rat situation, and the plumber as well. But the main thing was, I have the agreement right here, that he was...
Just a minute. So you went to mediation. Did you have a retainer agreement with him for any other work other than filing the summons, going to court the first time? Did you have any other agreement with him with regard to fees?
Well, the fee was $200 an hour.
Let me see where you had a retainer agreement for $200 an hour.